A very good morning to all. Kerala, known for its lush backwaters and serene beauty, has been the leader in terms of human resources and basic amenities. During the COVID crisis, the state has once again proven its progressiveness despite all odds. With an almost 100% of literacy rate and a considerable demographic contribution towards the country's IT workforce, the state boasts of its tech-savvy youth who has proven to be a boon for this small state. The COVID crisis has also brought light on the state's steep climb in number of reported cybercrimes. Cyberdome Kozhikode, part of the Kerala Police initiative to monitor and control cybercrime, has reported more than 50,000 cybercrimes last year. This is incredible. Why? Because we could achieve this only with the help of cyber-aware population of Kerala. Cyberdome Kozhikode is up here with a cyber security summit on real-time scenario with the title Real Time Real Attack. Cyberdome is a visionary initiative of Kerala Police which help us in preparing ourselves for facing the latest cyber challenges and cybercrime, and also in establishing a better coordination with the various agencies related to the cyber world. Kerala, being an information gateway, plays a leading role in the digital map of the country. The issues in the cyber world cannot be handled by the police department alone, but we require partnership from all the stakeholders in the cyber arena to build a safe and secure cyber world. Cyberdome is such a unique public-private partnership initiative for building a secure cyber world. Cyberdome Kozhikode is the third chapter of Kerala Police Cyberdome. Cyberdome Kozhikode, which is a center for excellence for Kerala Police to meet the long-term security challenges in the digital arena by bridging the gap between latest changes and innovation in the cyberspace and skill set development of Kerala Police, is located at Sahya building of Government Cyber Park, Kozhikode. In combating the emerging cyber threats, it is envisaged as collaboration center for the public and private fraternity to coverage and share information as well as resources that will escalate the safety of our cyberspace. Cyberdome Kozhikode has marked its own identity inside the Kerala Police Department and also among the public. Cyberdome Kozhikode is hosting its second security summit, as first security summit hosted on January 24, 2020 was a huge success. Cyberdome Kozhikode is helping different wings of Kerala Police in solving cases by giving technical support and also having a strong media monitoring team which help the law enforcement agencies to track and collect information using the help of social media, and also combats the crime that target women and children. Now we are heading to the official inaugural launch ceremony of the Cyber Security Summit 2021, that is Real Time Real Attack, hosted by Cyberdome Kozhikode. I cordially invite Sri Ashok Yadav IPS, Inspector General of Police and Nodal Officer of Kozhikode Cyberdome, to inaugurate Cyber Security Summit.
As the Nodal Officer of Cyberdome, Kozhikode Branch, Kerala Police, I am pleased and honoured to welcome all the participants today to this virtual summit on cyber security themed as 2R, that is real time and real attacks. As you all are aware, Cyberdome is a unique project of Kerala Police initiated on public-private partnership model to meet the long-term security challenges in the digital arena of the modern world. The advancement in the technology and digitalization has been helpful for greater prosperity and stability in the world, but it has also created a new virtual frontier that is required to be secured. The internet as a global platform is facing serious threats which we all need to respond to. The cyber attacks have been growing globally and getting more complex and sophisticated, requiring greater international cooperation with governments, software companies, technological organizations, academic institutions, research groups, and NGOs. Cooperation in cyberspace is a key component to protect and promote an internet that is free, open, stable, and secure. It gives me immense pleasure to be here in the company of experts from India and abroad to deliberate on one of the most serious challenges impacting the economic well-being and security environment of the world today. During the two-day summit, we will have workshops on social engineering, cyber forensics, and presentations from experts from wide variety of topics of interest, ranging from cyber defense, cloud security, social engineering frauds, dark web, and investigations, among others. I am glad that this summit has brought together experts from different fields to exchange views on the current state of technological knowledge available in the cyber security and the measures required to build further capacity in this domain. I am sure that the deliberations during the summit will lead to positive and actionable recommendations towards enhancing our cooperation in this ever-evolving domain for mutual benefit. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Most respected IGP Ashok Yadav Sir IPS, Northern Zone, and my dear friends. Cyberdome Kozhikode is a visionary initiative based on Technological Research and Development Center for Kerala Police Department. This is a public-private partnership for cyber security and a Center for Excellence of Kerala Police to meet the long-term security challenges in the digital arena of the modern world and boost the skilled set of Kerala Police to combat against the emerging cyber threats. Cyberdome Kozhikode hosts a Cyber Security Summit 2021 with its flagship theme of 2R, Real Time and Real Attack, for this year. This summit, planned to conduct virtually, it is a unique event to keep the cyber security community to connect across the globe. As an international standard event, this unique platform allows speakers and attendees to engage and connect with the peers through a wide range of interactive content and networking formats, much like a physical event. Nowadays, cyber attack is a pervasive and insidious in all industries like financial services, retailers, IT, insurance, telecom, healthcare, automotive, governments, etc., and even in the life of normal people. Capture the Flag, CTF, and the workshop will be in the track of real time and real attack. The summit will address topics ranging from cyber defense with the incident response plan, automation and cloud security, digital payments and fraud, data protection framework, dark web and investigations, social engineering fraud, blockchain applications for fraud prevention, new trends in malwares and APT attacks, prevention from fileless and APT attacks, SOAR and MITRE framework, telecommunication attacks, advanced persistence, threat intelligence and artificial intelligence, etc. We have intentionally designed our programs to create a trigger in the mind of cyber security enthusiastic to build a safe path in the digitally emerging world. We expect that this innovative virtual conference will inspire, educate, and energize you to create a safe arena in the cyberspace. Thanking you.